think nature is the strongest inspiration. I love to be in nature. I like to work in nature. And I think it's a strong inspiration. The beauty and the colors and the endless difference of colors and figures and smells. And so that's one thing, and visual, of course. And I think maybe it's a weird answer, but the brain. So first of all, my brain, which is logical, but in my recent work for the last year, I work close by with brain scientists, and I make sculpture for my brain activity, one-to-one. And I use inspiration to create this sculpture and to create the sculpture for my own brain. But of course also the human brain in general and creative brains of other talented people that I always get inspired. And last and most important, I think so, is love. I think love is an amazing energy that pushes me a lot forward, and I think it's a strong force that I'm afraid we are losing it as a humankind in these days worldwide, and I hope it will stay. It will win all the rest.